To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Hey, key there. Now you have the key.
Girl, now you have the key.
I know me have the key.
Look here now, the pervert man that text me and said from one or something, so me never read a message and reply to him the first time. So you
What
check
you
your
mean the
message.
man a pervert? The man a doing business, the man a doing work. What you mean you rent the man place, the man I go talk to you, the man go text your phone.
Hello, remember saying I'm so sensible. You don't know when you don't know pervert when them say them. You ever have a relationship, you check your phone, because I know the pervert there.
You just always like to judge people. Like something wrong with you, like you. What you say under black monkey in under there?
I'm going to tell you, say I'm not perfect. You got to tell me, say the man I'm not perfect. Call
The
him.
man a pervert for that?
Just call him.
Unless I want black down there or something. Hello, sir. Yes, the key, no key no under black, you know. Oh, run the corner. Alright, let me go check. So I have to put the key so far. That's so God.
Someone you take. Look like you are love the man. Something about you must love something about him. You like the rest of them.
I'm gonna tell you something. You chat too much. You reason too much. One night house.
One man. Remember, you see things so then you
Just close the door. Are you last coming and you see that as I come in and watch chat? You reason too much, man.
it's alright, make a close the door and come talk to you. May I say, you know this, sir? circumstances where I come here, so you see, so could even all this kind of deposit to pay. Things are with some over, so can't, I'm down here, so come here, so for a new beginning. Okay?
I understand what you're saying. I know so we have to change the life since we come down here, so because I know so yeah, back up some used to do some crazy stuff, but I change now. That's why we even come down here, so for a better life. But anyway,
And the next thing, the man, the white man, we claim say, are your friend, and if anything, future. Because I don't think they sitting there go work with them, meet man on internet and talk to them and all video call and look here now. I don't think they sitting there go work out. Anyway.
what you mean by you not think there's something there to work out?
Anyway, hear what I have to say. I know me and your
How come
sister
that?
and
No,
your mother,
wait. Me and your friend, you know. But you move like so you're my mother. No, how comes my relationship and phone become a business? That's not supposed to be a business. We are friends. Me tell her things, yes, but you're not supposed to come and tell me say you don't think that go work out. What you know about me and my relationship?
Listen to me. Me know some is not your mother and we are friends. But me only I say most times them things don't normally work out. Me never say yes, relationship not gonna work out, you know. But I hope to God it work out. But listen now, anyway, remember the job we talk about? Tomorrow we're gonna look about it, okay?
You don't talk now. Because obviously you know want me talk. Okay, yes, tomorrow we are gonna look about the job. And you see, you know, I can't talk about my relationship. That's why you don't have a relationship. Because you love people business and you love chat. You understand? So if me tell you so as a friend, you don't have no right to come and tell me so you don't think it gonna work out. Make me tell you that. And at what time we for go and interview a man?
10 o'clock. Miss, listen to me. Me never say relationship should not work. Me say most times those things don't work out.
Don't talk about it. Don't talk about it because sometimes you have goat mouth and then we don't work out because your mouth bad lucky. 10 o'clock.
It's alright. I hope your lovely, nice, clean relationship work.
I feel like a bad man and you just have a relationship. But you don't have none, no. You don't have none. Where's the bathroom?
I mean, I want none.
I go use the bathroom.
Yeah, go and go use the bathroom.
I want to shop over here first. Alright. Yeah, people they're nice. Hello. Good day.
Girl, come on.
Can you sit down and look a bit more tired?
Sit down, wait. Come on, man. I want to go around.
Jessica, we just come in that area. And to make people know we can just sit down here so to get familiarized with the place and then something there. Wow. You love stuck up in the house too much, man.
And that's your problem. You like to be known and to be seen too much. Come where go warm. What do you mean by sit down and make people get to know me? Come on, man.
It's just boring.
Come.
Yo, girl, what going?
They have a friend. They have beta jokes.
Yeah, beta juice, boy, pinky and I change, you know.
I know what you're saying.
Hold on there, yeah.
America, you know to say over other stuff.
Me the phone, my phone, me soon talk to you, hold on. Yeah, girl.
When me wait for your phone to I mean to taste will leave the bread over other snacks a while ago.
I know, see me the phone, my phone.
So me cannot get tired of you.
So that affect me if you get tired of me.
Which part
Me
get
go
to
see
that?
what you
Yeah, girl.
Get to that. I which get to that.
No, listen in the background, a cockroach. Yeah, girl, so what you say then now? Because, if you tell you the truth, me move from upstairs and I come down here, so you know. Me there Negril and one place a Whitehall.
I don't know you tell.
Yeah,
I'm
girl.
white me there right now, girl.
I
I'm
lie.
white me there beat the juice.
Eh?
What you not say?
Me can't send them a location and you can look for me, man.
You know, so really and truly though. We shouldn't even go look for you because last night on my birthday, girl. Where you did that?
Girl, I tell them me come down, me not even remember say last night to your birthday. You know, still can't celebrate your birthday. I just last night, I just yesterday, you know.
Well, anyways, me then near. Just to my location, I'm calling her right now.
Alright, girl, let me send it right now.
Yeah.
Just check your WhatsApp.
Alright.
Ah.
Me go buy bread, you know, because I'm not tough crackers and no peanut butter, so me go buy the bread, the soon come.
Alright. But by the way, you place are going to get receipt.
No, I'm not going to receive it.
Alright, go
I
on.
have that bread, so me go back out the panic. Just take the seat or what?
Alright.
What going?
They're up, girl.
I'm with Daisy girl.
So what going? What's this? Stand up.
Come then, listen.
Let's up the stairs. We're talking.
I don't know me talking. So you said going for your birthday last night.
Birthday? You said, Mama? As you a man so wine there, see girl, they know if me start come down already. Hey, so me catch him there, so I'm catch him up over there, so. I don't want to see the man getting that spirit.
Man, I get to know what?
That spirit I want there. No, so anyways, girl.
It's not safe.
You should have left, Freddie.
Thank
Big
you.
woman levels, you should have left.
Thank you.
Because you know me will defend you, you should have left.
Me know
You understand?
listen, me know say we defend me, you know.
Yeah, boy, you go like say, you don't know if me thing come down here, you go like say, you know, so me thing tough in
Me
the
just
street.
can't manage the bad energy and me can't take it all the vibes we are going, so me just have to left. You understand that me no want nothing do me. And me, you know, so me no walk around and trouble people like that, but me just have to lift up. You mad? I'm fit on this, so next thing they come burn on your house with me in there.
The blood of Jesus against the mud. Burn on which house? You see it? You say no, say, me will defend you. And then you talk different thing, but you know want them come burn on your house. Burn on which house, girl? Nobody can burn on your house.
Me left because me can't manage the energy we are going. But anyway, you know say, why do you me dey scroll through social media? And this white man a text me. But every morning the white man tell me good morning, baby. Wagwan, honan. You know they look for something that make you feel good and dirty. But we never tell me them there's something there a day in my life.
Bulby.
You remember Bulby, my man? By the way, you see him?
See?
Yeah.
If me see him? No, me not see him.
I mean, you not see him.
Me not see him none tall. So then go Bulby, I don't have time to see him. Me don't have time to see him. Cause I remember for a longer time, so I don't like him. I like a string in a little maga boy. Like.
No, so I don't like a string in there, but apart from that, anyway, when I every time I come down, I saw it still. I'm not telling because I know everything's around him.
So what on it? What on it? So you have to report to him?
No, so I have to report to him, but I know so we know our relationship, by right thing supposed to know.
So it wasn't a relationship, right? And you say you're fine. One little foreign man. Hmm? The foreign man has sent the money, not true? Hmm?
I say I want to look at something now and then, but I don't want no white man.
You want a white man?
No.
You want a black man?
Yeah.
Because black man take out a property.
Then I still can talk to the white man and talk to Bobby at the same time. And I like to me and the white man in no business. Like, I just my friend, but he just always say some things like me and him in a relationship, but we're not in no relationship.
My friend, I'm not going to tell you no lie. You're your own woman, so you do what please you. But at the end of the day, if anybody who did it for you, stick with them. You understand?
So now that me I do.
Stick with them. Anyways, girl, I want to confirm something. I want to ask you something first.
What is that?
You and Bobby serious or not?
Well, honest, well, not really. Not really, because right now I'm not really define that.
Well, lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely.
I mean lovely,
I'm
lovely.
glad say you separate, you know. I'm just glad so you separate. Cause you remember the short black girl when named Amanda?
Amanda.
Amanda.
I'm not quite sure, but explain her some more. She black?
What?
She
You
black?
remember Amanda? He short and black. And he have a toughish look. You know what I'm talking now?
Yeah, girl, I remember who you chat to.
Well, you want to puff out of this?
No, I don't want to. You know, see me a funny way.
Amanda own to boy be like a dog.
What do you mean Amanda on to boy be like a dog? What you talking about?
Amanda look boy be like a dog. When you not understand, let me just say.
My
Yeah,
Bulby?
darling. No, for me Bulby.
Where she dey?
Eh?
Where she dey?
Where else was she there for? Me say, Amanda, she just stick on herself and Bulby, so me have to really wonder what going on.
So you tell me say you not see Bulby Pinky. Why you lie so Pinky?
Because me have to
Pinky.
confirm if you're the man there or not.
But
Same
you
way.
not have to confirm Pinky. If me and your friend are supposed to tell me something, you're not supposed to confirm nothing with me.
Hey. You don't worry boy if me see him or not.
You see
worry
because
about
you tell me
who
say
are
I have
auntie and
woman.
Me a good friend though.
No, you're not a good
Me
friend.
a good friend.
You're a
so me
dirty
can't tell you, me a
friend.
dirty friend.
Yes.
Anyways, you gotta take your man.
Come show me where you girl then.
Eh? You want me to show you again?
Yes.
Come on. Worries in the dance, worries tonight.
Lord Jesus.
Hi.
You come here.
As what?
Worries in the dance, worries tonight.
What I say, come here.
Me not pick me a big woman.
Yeah,
Talk to
come
me
on
also.
now.
Where you want? I want. What problem? Oh, you're not no
Remember the
officer.
conversation we had about coming here so a while ago?
Where conversation be again? Where conversation
You want to
be?
get where you look for, is that right?
Later, yeah. Me so come back, me have one business to do with. Yeah, we have time to me right now.
It's alright. Me say, you see next time you go up in your problem, you want come, me nah move from your son. I know me move from your son, and me want after this girl say she hungry, and me gonna kill up myself, but me gonna look something to eat girl, and girl come bring friend and share friend. It's alright, it's okay. Alright.
Why you call me out here, sir?
They're shoot though. And beer things are going. Now watch you know. Right now, oh, me see it. Makes sense you have to go easy, you know. Not real life. Swear take how I go on?
What you mean?
What me mean? You don't understand?
Me not understand what
You
you
know
mean,
fi
because you
understand.
talk to me in a parables and me not do parables. Come to me straight.
Brother.
No
Right?
call me no brother. Me and your brother.
Jaja.
Talk to me
Watch on man,
straight.
watch on man, watch on man.
Or me hear black me ears. Come, what you say?
Me say, all the way they go on and the one bag of misunderstanding and so all of that have to go stop. You're right, cause right now, if my woman pack up and left and a bit things are going on right now, I don't know exactly which part she there at the moment, but pack up and left and I don't know, you know.
So no good thing that.
How a good thing?
Eh, you say no. She pack up and leave. What part with it?
No worry at all.
Good. Where part she gone? Good. You don't know where part she gone. You could have gone all the foreign. A good something that.
How a
What?
good something?
What you mean have a good something? I mean not even like this side chick thing, you know. Cause me can't work. Me can't play that role. That role is not for me.
So what you try to tell me say?
Me try to tell her, say.
Hmm.
The side chick thing, me can't bother with the running up. Me all talk foolishness. Me can't bother with the running up and down and a hide and a dodge. Me not depend that.
Jaja God. So who a hide and a dodge? Me tell you to hide and dodge.
That's basically what we do.
No, right now, tell you the truth. I try to tell you say right now, me no want that no more neither. You're right. That me want done it.
So I don't know.
Everything want go on here, so just squash your ass right here, so right now.
So-
Cause right now, a be things are going, you know.
After you get in my panty,
Mm-hmm.
you want done everything. Just like that. I'm mad you want me mad out. Run you want me run mad and start me out a garbage bin and chuck all over this all up in the sky you go see me. What you mean? What you mean done this?
Like you not get the
No,
point
me
and the
definitely
views
not. Me not get what you say. To be honest, me not get what you say. All the way you say to me right now, it a come to this years and go back out to the next. Nothing no register up here so.
Jaja.
What judge do you? Awa.
So far with them, yeah. Shut up this one, I said it.
I'm not top tech girl, man.
So.
I see
I was
a
tryna-
procedure.
Which same project?
What you mean, which one are we are?
Hey,
Which
me
one are we
a
are?
come on.
What you do yourself with the man? Eh?
Be the girl.
What you do yourself with
When
the
me
man?
do yourself with a man? What you? What you mean when me do yourself with a man?
Okay, I see a procedure. And that's why every time when you come to me and they used to ask me about Bulby and ask me for your number and then look at what
Hold on.
because I like him.
Huh? What you?
No, shut up.
You know, no.
You know, mama, how we come for the beat the girl or chat?
Listen. You come to me about this. They must say we don't know.
Yo, Pinky. Later, no. Last week. Big up yourself. Thanks again. Yeah, we go call her later. Me want to talk to you later. And I guess what? I'm not done with Bulby situation yet, you know.
Yeah, man.
It just a start, you know.
That's
Wait till when me catch him. Alright, talk no later.
Marika, we need to talk to you.
I think you're asleep, you know.
What's really wrong with you? Eh? What's wrong with you? You come here yourself for your first start. I never ever come here with you, know. But you mean you're good and want the best for you. You know, so the greatness in yourself, you know, you always a follow bad company. Why? Eh? You like bad company or something? What you really want out of life? You don't want nothing good out of life. Maybe what you want? Because I think we talk about this, we just come here, sir.
Jessica, you see a while ago when I come out of the house, I saw loose end me go deal with. You understand? So I don't know where you kill up yourself and I go and suffer. Me have business, other business out there for doing. You think what you want me to do? Come down here, come sit down in your house all day like a what? House rat? You mad?
Business? What kind of business?
That a between me and my friend. That not your business. Just left that alone.
Oh. Me tell you, when it's going to become my business, me don't want to become my business. Can you see next day you drop down in the hole and your friend run left you, me go say, oh, go pick you out of it. Me not understand. Now tomorrow me have to go on the road, go do a little interview, get a little work.
Jessica, tomorrow come yet? Tomorrow not come yet. You know me feel like you should have got to school for go do counseling because you sound like a counselor. I mean I want no counseling right now. But anyway, so what up your mind?
Oh. So to me, I talk to you for the good and for the betterment of yourself. You don't want to hear that. You want little crosses, careless friend, fair enough and done with. Hey, what kind of business you could have? Alright, show me the money where you do this. You just go do this. Where money do you get?
So me ask you one question. When I go do interview tomorrow, right? And if they say come in Monday morning, when I go work Monday morning, as I go in Monday morning and I leave work, is Monday morning they gonna get paid? Oh, me understand now. You see procedure?
You always act like, yeah, you're smart. Yeah, you're smart.
I am.
You're smart, but guess what? You're very dumb too. Because me can't believe that
Like
a
you.
person like you would have all them little crosses, butter ears, girl, they we don't want no good out of life. You know what a girl do for a living?
So what you want out of life? If you did want something good out of life, you would have done yes with me. You would have stayed up there so and better for life. But because you have follow behind me, you come down here so. So you're just like she, you know, no different from she. You see it?
Oh, me want to follow back at you. I saw you look on it now. After you forgot when you come ask me say if you come down here with you.
You listen, you have two words. You have yes and you have no. You should have choose no, but you choose yes. Because I love company.
No, and I love company.
You understand?
Why me say yes?
Why you say yes?
Because you're in a one little situation, I mean, I want to because you're my friend for a long time.
Uh-huh.
I'm rather know so you don't get so unsafe.
Mm-hmm.
Don't get so you safe, but you're not safe again because you start bring back the crosses them.
Okay, since you're a prophet, and since you know when we go on the road go do, when we go on the road go do, Jessica?
Me know nothing good.
Why you doubt me? And why you judge me? That's the thing with you. You ever judge people. You never have nothing good to say. What if I go, you're not even say America, I go to go drink or something, you know, if you drink or whatever, you think negative in your brain. Because, you know, my grandmother always tell me, say, so man think it, so is he.
Just like how them say, show me a company, I'm going to tell you who you are.
Okay. So you are my company, so tell me who me be.
Me?
Yes, because it will be a bench and batty, you know, so who me be.
See a bench and batty them, the little fly batty girl, they will go a party.
So who are me? Oh. So you not go party too? You not go party? You not do hair? You not wear nose? You not wear nice clothes? You not wear foot chain? Oh, Christian. Come on, we go to church, go clap and shout, hallelujah, praise the Lord, thank you, Jesus. Since you're a Christian, you don't go there in places there. You sit down in the house all the time. Talk to me now. Talk.
Whether you want go church, you want go jump party or whatever you say. I know nothing good them girl them. Alright, why she never come and tell us to make you not go church?
So Jessica, you ever come and tell me say come and we go to church?
All the time.
Never. Top 10 lie.
Me never even go to
The
church.
blood of Jesus against you, too lie man.
It's alright.
Now when we upset me, tell us say we go to church one Sunday.
You.
Eh?
Number one, me no go Sunday church. You ever see me go Sunday church?
Yes, you see it, that's the thing. But you dey go to church. You say you want go to church and you bore up and you wear foot chain and you wear wig. And wear shorts. And what kind of church you dey go?
Listen to me and listen to me go. You want
Even though God say come as you are. Come as I am. He never say come as yellow, I am green, I am all type I am. He say come as I am. But anyway.
What kind of yam are you? Because the man when you left here for a while ago, you know, got dressed. What kind of yam that makes you?
Which
and
man?
You say you have man a foreign.
Which man me go chase? You see it? You reason too much. You don't know what me go do, but you come and chat too much.
Yeah, nothing good
You love
with
your
them,
mouth.
the girl there.
You love use your mouth.
Can't
And
nothing
that
good
with you.
with them, the girl there. When I ask you, tell me, I can't nothing good with them, the girl there.
So something good when me there around you. Something good when me there around
I
you.
encourage you to go broke fight and go in at people like go match it up.
So which life my friend tell me if you go mash up? Talk to me nice and talk to me good.
Alright, me don't talk. Me don't lack all communication with
Prophet,
you, you know.
talk to me now.
Come
Read out my Bible, read it out.
I realize they say you. And them same friend they make you reach your son. And at them same
I
friend
like
they
that
take
too.
you from your son.
This one goes out to my special baby. My heart in you and for. Oh, hey. Baby, thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy.
Aye.
With a mess like me.
You know how long they wait here?
Thank
You know what interview?
giving up on me.
Today?
What do you mean by if today?
No, but I'll go.
What do you mean by number go? So you plan to come here so come do? Eh? What do you mean by number go?
What do you mean by my plan for coming
And
now?
that me say we plan to come all the bills them go pick. You see number go? So you decide to come here come tell me what this.
You ready?
You know see? By the way, one glasses like I can't find it no way.
Look on yourself and see your glasses.
Anyway, get up. At time.
So what time now?
Hello, you should have wake already. You know how long me I try wake you up? Watch it. As soon 9 o'clock.
I'm just gonna put on my clothes. I'm not in bed.
What you mean by? You can't go wash off for the you know see one nasty good girl.
You smell me?
Go wash off yourself, man.
You smell me?
Go you go know you want. Go.
Okay,
Just want to
okay.
see you know make me not get to work, you know. Oh, I don't really want to walk. Me a time you. Oh, wait, don't you pervert man you call me for? We not just move come here.
Jessica, is it my phone? Oh. Yeah. Hello? Martin, what I'm thinking? How I go on? So how comes our father find out that? Well, yeah, that's true. Should do that the type of work that people will see. But I'm not like enough. Nobody never there bar when that happen.
Girl, are you being with Panina?
Give me a minute, then me I come.
Hurry up, man.
So upsetting father be. Lord God. And if father not would understand say people man share take you know. Anyway, me dey go somewhere. So when me come back, me call you. Me I go for an interview. Girl, later. You love mix up too much. You love people business. Cause see, them me just come down here. And me, you know what? Later. Yeah. Ready? Come on.
You know, see, you're not taking nothing serious. Look how long me get up a man and I wait for you.
Me ready now though. So why you come at me tell you something. You love talk and that's your problem. And all the time people in a mood for talk. You understand me? Right now, me I go through a lot. I know you with your talking I put me through more. Me just can't take it.
Look here, you're not go through nothing. And you put yourself in a thing, so always a thought where you go through things. Eh? For man, me get to me look out all the breakfast, the crackers and sardine round there. Cause me never go, when I go buy shop, I never get the bread. So me take the crackers and the sardine round the tea round there. From man, me get to and try to wake up, you know.
I don't talk now. You see, if we not get through with this interview, yeah, it's your fault with your negative energy. Because right now, you give me a bad energy to go up on the road. And that me I tell you.
Hold on. By the way, who call you a while ago? Because somebody tell you advice I and then advice go. I just no say nothing wrong good about a phone call. So if any we not get you up at your fault. I know for me fault.
Let me ask you one question. Never prayed a day in your life before?
No?
Okay. So you are gonna ask me about my folk? You're my mother? You're my sister? You're my auntie? Who you be?
Is that right?
You is nobody. You're just a my friend. So you not have no right to ask me who call or who text me phone. You not have that the right. You ready or you not ready? Tell me.
Me don't know, but
You ready?
your friend.
You ready?
So Anna blows the wake up and interview.
Yeah, I'm ready.
You know, me tell myself that this morning now. So when I get up, I wake up, you know, wake up, and they go by myself, you know. I mean, you know what I care here for the people that interview me. That's right.
Come in.
Hi, morning.
Yeah, my morning. Come have a seat for me, please. Who is Jessica?
I'm Jessica.
Is you? Marika? Okay. Listen to me. Normally, you know, I interview a person one at a time, but because I'm in a bit of a rush, that is the reason I call them both at the same time. Alright? Okay. So Jessica?
Yes.
So I realized that you used to work down the road here, so I mean, you never write in terms of why you're not working there anymore. What happened?
So it's just a part-time job.
It was a part-time job?
Yeah, I was just filling in for someone for 3 months.
Oh, okay. Alright, so Marika, excuse me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, excuse me, I realize that you don't have too much working experience at other places. I wonder why is that?
Sir, because I'm not interested in the work, but I'm not sure we have bills to deal with. We just come because, yeah.
So, why are you... Oh, okay. Alright, fine. No problem. Let me ask you something. So, why are you guys... I mean, I'll start with you. Why are you interested in working here?
Well, I like the cashiering thing and I want to learn a little bit about printing and all of that. That's why I'm interested.
Oh, what about you?
Sir, I just want to take a picture of that style.
But it seems like you're not much interested in the work, you know. I mean, if I'm come here on your phone, which, I mean, first impression last. And to me, that's very disrespectful.
Come here, this is my guest.
You're on your phone on your interview? You're in an interview on your phone?
Sir, my phone. I'm the body now.
Are you serious?
Sir, yes, sir.
Let me ask you a question. Are you guys related?
No, we're
I'm
friends.
a friend.
Alright, listen to me. Alright, let me be blunt. I mean, based on your attire and stuff, I really don't like this negative, you know, feedback from both of you. I need person to work, but to be honest with you, I don't like your energy. You know, understand me? Especially you. Alright? And I'm gonna say this. I had previous employees here that them thief. So may I ask you, if you guys come here to do the same thing, gonna come here for thief?
Sir, no. Wait, Jessica, wait. Because it seems like something wrong with you.
No.
So, if you are called me already, I will not even start work for you yet,
Listen
sir.
to me. Based on what happened here, I am stating of what happened here before. Because you on a whole seems to be come here with this, you know? You probably will not get little or no employment anywhere you go. You understand what I mean? You see? Your attitude is just like that.
Sir, I'm very sorry about that. We are no thief. We don't thief, sir. You can't even call and find out on the road. I don't thief.
No,
Why?
boss.
Anyway.
You can see.
Hold on. Give me a second here. Give me a second. Oh, shit. Data. Hello? Hold on. I'm in the middle of an interview. What happening? What you say? Do what? Whoa. Take time. Hold on. 2 girls beat you up. No. Hold on. Oh, God. No, man, this is serious. Which 2 girls beat? Calm down. Which 2 girls beat you up? Tell me. No, this can't be happening. No. No, trust. Excuse me, I'm having that conversation with that. Give me a minute. Alright, hold on. Just calm down and let me hear. What them look like? Jeez, I'm not hearing you. You're talking. Listen to me. What them look like? Just give me a description of what them look like, no? Alright, hold on. Hear what now? Me not gonna just deal with this interview. I'm gonna call you back because trust me, I can't deal with this. Right now I'm angry. Anyway, I'm going to call you back right now. I'm going to call you back. I'm up.
Everything alright, Sam?
No, everything is not okay now. Everything is not okay. Listen.
So you're gonna take out in an interview. I'm really sorry about your phone call.
Alright, listen. Why am I heading to that? I'm sorry. Let the interview, you know. We carry the thing to straight now. So, I won't say no. You understand? But may I ask you guys, is it possible that you guys can come back for a later time for the interview? Because I did a couple questions I have to go through and ask you and stuff. But, you know, certain little occurrence right now, make me head really, there nobody right now. You understand what I mean?
Okay, I understand.
So, may I just ask you guys, please, can you just, you know, come back at a later date?
Sure, no problem.
All right.
So what time we should come back?
Today is what? Tuesday? Come back about Thursday.
Okay, what time?
Come in the morning, same thing.
Alright.
Alright?
Alright, sir, thank you.
Yeah, man, and stuff. Hold on. No, man, okay, go. No, hold on, Jessica. Alright. Give her a minute there. No, it's alright, go on. Sit down.
Yes, sir.
Listen. Is your friend that?
Yes, sir.
But that is not somebody to be walking around with and things. She paint a bad picture.
She just like what you want to go problem no way.
No, but she's looking at work and she pretending like I am the one that who's looking work from she. You know how hard I have to work to build this establishment. Eh? I start this place from scratch, come up, you know. I do not like her attitude. I don't like nothing about her.
Make a talk, but please maybe give her a chance.
No, listen to me. It's not giving her a chance. I even make up my mind about you. I think that you or your attire or you bring yourself and or you bring across yourself, which is okay, but we don't want no teeth in her. I'm sorry to be blunt, but that basically what I say because I want it to go through. You understand what I mean?
I understand, but I'm not teeth, I'm not sure she'll think I'm afraid of.
I'm going to give you a chance, but I'm going to think second and she.
Please think about it, because she got through a whole heap.
But listen, are your friend, me know, maybe I go out there, you might say something. But this interview just wrap up, it does so much. My head is up on my body right now. You understand what I mean? And so forth. So, let's come back again, Thursday.
Yeah, but please never get think about it here, me go talk to her. Because she's a good girl, you know, sir.
She needs to change her attitude.
Yeah, me go talk to her. Thanks again.
Alright, take care.
Alright, yeah.
Alright, see you Thursday.
Yeah, Thursday.
Jesus Christ, I'm my daughter. Ah, boy. Alright, anyway. We'll wrap up on something like this. I forgot to deal with that situation.
Jessica, to tell you the truth, like me have a lot on my brain, so Me know say me never have to talk to him or whatever, but my brain like it never did it. My brain did gone, it lost a one part. Me confused right now.
I understand you know. Your brain is on, your brain lost. So we're gonna pay the bills then for the place.
Me don't know. We not go somewhere else go look work or something. Not go like a one place there for look work.
Where we gonna?
I don't know.
Every minute I say have a lot. What a lot you have to deal with. That is why we move come here. So what bother you that much?
You know say circumstances make me move from up there so come down and so. So you know say things still go up on my brain and I like say everything go clear off as me move. But long and short of the story. You know say sometimes I forget say you're one of my good friend them. You're somebody who have my back like somebody will always do there for me, always me angry or always me say certain things or do certain things, treat a certain way, you still do it no matter what. You understand? Long and short of the story is that remember yesterday one time Pinky did over here.
Oh, by the way, how she even know she probably there?
I mean they call her and she tell me say she there in her area drink rum.
So you there drink too?
No, I never get a chance to drink no rum because yeah, when Pinky come over here now, say Bulby am my man. No, I'm not say my man. I'm my ex. Say Bulby am my ex. So me and her talk and then she tell me say one girl named Amanda push up herself on Bulby and like she want him or something. So long and short I story me tell her say go run away girl day. Anyway we go run then the Bulby and the girl that me see. So I run down pan Bulby, in run, he take it through bush gone. So I go back for the girl and I beat the girl.
So you make the careless right woman come here and come tell you say the boy where you did there will make you have to run like ups and come down and so they run so with woman and for you glad you take yourself now God. You feel like you need a drink. You don't know say enough to drink rum.
I never did that drink.
Then you get after that drink to take up yourself gone boy you gonna look for girl for fight for man. You hear that?
And I'm tell you, enough me go through for Bulby, So if you know say Bulby don't you say have next girl a push up on him and him a take a push up or take what girl a do or whatever, it make me feel a way because a Bulby me left from a place upstairs and come down and say,
But that is why I say you're stupid. Because you have one like say Bulby as somebody in there with you, in there with the friend, see a roommate friend.
In there with the roommate
friend. You not gonna tell me nothing. And the one where you say go around they go fight. In there with she plus in there with fair friend. You see you.
So in there with you.
You want coming up me not kill this. You see me walk out
because you're chatting the Dick Tom and Harry. So what am I to you? You can't left out yourself.
No, I don't want to kill this man. I mean, take kill this man. If I see me, I become a kill this man. You see me with a man, is a good, nice, clean man to pay my bills. You ever take up your some little dirty man, I can't do nothing for you. You know what, I go in the house, because I can't take it.
That's what you do, because you chat too much.
Yeah. No, I ever chat too much. I'm tell you the truth. Look at dirty kill this boy. Boy, you left, boy, you can't fight. The boy can't slap off your head.
But who fired? You're an idiot. And I have no sense. Oh, the park, come out and you're an idiot.
Go on. So me want to piece a tour for you. I can't even know you.
Yes, that's great.
Boy, me have to run.
Where you run?
You mean, man, moms, no? For me meeting girl no pop up on me one day when me I tell girl from around I bar around and say yo, can't work.
That's Amanda. Brother, easy, you know.
Brother, after me I tell explain to the girl say yo, what bad things are going right now. I say a girl I tell me say yo, he still want do what me and him do right now on my youth. Because I tell her say a thief, me I go and thief piece in the youth and the girl come like you want me and her up right now and for me girl now go catch you play and he come like his friend go tell him say screw and a be a problem. Me bounty only if you know me boy.
Well, there you go. Don't know anything. I'm there brother one. Take it one step at a time.
Right,
I really want father now, but you know you go. So so that the girl then say she have on your side piece. Eh?
And And that me I try show you. And you me side piece, but you come like say you want thing. You want run in and turn main girl and now she don't know say. She don't know, you know. Say one girl me want right now, my boy, but
one girl?
Yeah, me want one girl for
comes the one
no, listen me now.
Brother, you can't name up a thing, bro.
And you know hear me I say no, my brother. I say me want one girl right now, but me freestyle on the side. Yes, but a one girl more, I can't manage the girl, then me have force themselves to be main girl bad man. Me not trust the player there. It come like a setup. You see true me done there with this girl there again. Me know say yes. No foul play now play, but this one you know we are push up on ourselves. Me can't manage that, brother. Me not trust that. Cause me and him a flex on the side how long I know you want to count on main girl. No, me not there on that right now. Me like you want them have already. I don't want no more. Can't manage.
My brother wants him to start out one thing in a place. So right now, to be honest with you, I have to go show up. Because if I go in and know, I'll see what I go and see CD. Because CD I look bleaky. You know what I mean? But everything good otherwise though.
But I want to go look for mama do, you know. I that bother me.
Brother left mama alone for right now. I look at new girl. That's what you do.
Mad, my friend. You're mad, man.
So where you going to make up then?
No. Me have to go find where you live, though. I don't know exactly where she live. Yeah.
You sure you want to go there? You're easy. Yo, do what you do. And we link up if I solve the case. See, just keep me posted. But I have your brother. I have to go start up my brother thing.
Alright.
You understand? So, you're with her.
Right now, me there drink some rum. I go all asleep. I go all asleep.
Yo, get it rum them and break, brother.
Mad man. Yo, watch out now. Look come more. Me I let back your gate there.
Come here. Come here, man. Come here. What you say I'm to?
Because I expect to reach and so quick.
What do you mean we reaching so quick? So you tell me something happened to you? Wait something for you. Two girls?
Maybe more, but yeah, two. At one of them.
Oh yes, what happened? Anyway. Look here, man. As I tell you before, I don't really like everything I feel. I don't like everything I feel. See, you end up if you there work for me, them something wouldn't happen. You're in an office, you know. You're there. Look what you're there.
Daddy, we can't manage the office work right now.
Look here. I work for you know. You understand what I mean? We have an establishment to make you bigger. And look what you're there. I interview me, I conduct, I'm here for you. And I'm something in my workplace I deal with. I big business for you, you know. And look what you're there. Look here, man. And you have to take a stand in your life. See? Look at me, man. It's serious, man. It's not enough for you. I build an empire for you, and come deal with it. You understand what I mean? What about them girls now? Where you go? I don't want to know about you now.
I don't even think I take time.
Do what? All them foolishness you get yourself in now. But when you reach a stage now, how that now? You're not going to mix up the cup. And I'm going to tell you, look here, man. Even if you get a whole of your life, man.
But that's the thing, I'm not taking man.
Look here, I care zero about that, but as I tell you before, say you need to know you're there. If you're there around me, all them foolishness, you want me in a fight a year, say you have to take woman, man, all. What kind of foolishness is that? You need to know where you are, man. Take charge of your life.
So that you have to come and work with me.
What else we do then? What we do?
See, people they want to look for me.
I care zero about people. Make up your mind and do what you do. Your life in your hand.
Let them laugh after me.
Well, they laugh after their own. Leave and come. I have a place for you. It's what I want to do. Anyway, you know, your life, how you choose and what you want. See? You're a big woman. And I can't tell you what to do. I just give you a push and you don't want it, so I'm sorry. Alright? Can't say I never try. I try. See?
Daddy, next time we just pop up so.
It's alright.
Just tell me say I come, man.
It's alright, don't worry yourself.
Pop up on me, so.
Well, don't call me and tell me say nothing to you. Alright?
I lie.
Have a good day.
So that's just it.
Bye bye.
All the bills are going to pay. The place.
Just, you know, worry about things. Just relax, man. Everything's so alright.
You see, you know what me going to do? I can go in the kitchen or eat the crackers on the side you left for the from and me hungry. So I know what you are going to do.
No, I'm going.
Alright, my love.
Who that? Come.
Alright.
What the
Yeah, good.
So, yeah,
No?
This a girl, I got an interview today. And I said, but then interview, I don't know what to say. And meanwhile, we had the interview, like, we did a fair good time. Meanwhile, we had the interview, man get a phone call. So the man get the phone call, the man said, beat up. Two girl beat up, girl. So me said to myself, I wonder if Amanda father that them going to interview me today. So let me tell the shocking interview thing down after this 15 months said, so is everything alright? Because at first me gave my attitude, you know. And yes, so just look at phone and shoot off it. The girl, so me said, me feel like Amanda father that they like. I start to feel some type of way. You ever feel like you're in a trouble and something like your belly button about you? And so I start feeling the interview. So I'm glad when the man say the interview hard because he head not so right in anybody. As thank you. Thank you. I know I feel starving now, brother. No money not the family. So you have to take a picture of the girl here. Fun for the girl. Carry me this, because I don't want money back.
Hey, where's it up? Hey, so Mr. Girl. Oh, that could be coincidental. Say, I girl, father. Girl, listen to me now. Look how much girl get beat up every day. Eh? So what fear, look crayfish brain now can't tell us say, and the girl father. That makes sense. No girl, you don't need to worry about them there's something there.
I'm not sure still, but we just still feel some type of way.
No girl, you don't worry about the wrong things. You don't worry about the wrong things. That could just happen so sudden, no sir. Me not feel so. But anyways, we are going with we touch you on now. No, not later on.
You have money?
Money, well, no, but you don't worry about that girl. Look how much money in the streets, girl. As you go on a little bar, girl, you're going to know for me still already. When I put on all my skimpy suit and put on all my chain and my earring and I just go so. And just give the man my eyes so.
Then the murderation, moderation, art separation, that's a go on the song.
All kind of ration, my worries in the dance, worries tonight.
Alright then.
Girl,
So,
just
later.
ring the bird when I'm ready. Yeah?
Yeah, later.
Oh, and tell a friend, hi, see me soon. Bye.
Girl, what am I to do? The crackers ain't tough. You know, so let me take on there. At least my belly full. So, where you go eat there now?
I don't know, I go for fun and go to that.
That's the left one first. My phone there. My phone. Yeah. Well, look, let me phone number there, so. So what you will say you want to know, guys? No, wait,
That's us about what kind of words in it. Because I got anger back with some work. Yeah.
You know what?
That's what I'm gonna use. This say, I go on the road because I'm murderation, botheration, alteration of one tonight. I don't mean I tell you. Say yeah, 6 o'clock.
I have a study at Garwood. I'm money for Garwood, they get money for Garwood.
Money about Pink, you know, say Pinky and my friends, so she
You still talk about a pinky girl, eh? You know, learn I hope the police not knock on the door there or call the phone, yeah? Okay. Hold on then. Marka, you sure you not use my camera with the upside? And do nothing?
Jessica, you know, say very old time, I'm don't like that. A man didn't accuse you to me of stealing today. No, you want to accuse me of stealing. No, look all that me and your friend. And why I'm not, why?
I'm not accused of nothing. Yes, if I'm morning, I try to like an online bank on my phone. I'm just set it up now and that says $0. I'm a balance was supposed to be $0. That is why I ask you if you're sure
So
like
you have money by your card?
Me dey have one little money for my mother, just the little emergency money. Ever get them talk about emergency money just in case?
Yeah.
I see through with there so now. Me dey plan to buy one little stove. That's what I'm buy little groceries that's what we can have for cooking. We only have crackers the rest of our life and sardine.
But Jessica, I don't want to say you have money.
Look here, me never ever tell me I have money. I did little emergency money and emergency coming to now. Look here, me a chat foolishness now. Emergency now, because I say I buy one little store. Where are you? Where the money there?
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?